I have partial paralysis of my right leg, and before I was kind of very hesitant about falling, tripping and falling, because I can't lift my foot up. And I had a big problem with my knee hyperextending. So it was painful for me to walk too much. This has had such an impact on my life. I'm hoping to take this to New Zealand in a couple of weeks. I'm hoping it's going to allow me to do kayaking, hiking. I'm hoping that it will help me dance, which was a passion of mine before I had this paralysis. So it's really made a big impact on my life. Before, I was limited in my mobility, not so confident in my walking ability, especially in wet conditions or bad weather. With this, I just feel so much more confident that I can handle any terrain or any weather conditions. It's made me way more independent. I can walk a lot faster when I'm out walking my dog. So it's made a big impact on my life, and I'm sure it can help many, many people. Thank you, Icarus.